Hello everybody, and welcome to the last video you will see from me for a while. The reason being is that we've got our final exams, our GCSEs. Like Americans watching don't know what that is. It's the final exams before we leave secondary school. So I won't have any time for Airsoft or editing. But I just want to say the footage, what you're seeing now, isn't mine. It is from 2018 Wastelands from Cribbscauseway. I will be attending this event on the 27th of May to 29th of May. If you would like to book on to come, you will need to call up Bristol Activity Centre. There will be a link in the description below. I'd love to see people who watch my channel there. I'd love to see people come up to me, say hi. That'd be amazing. But anyway, if you want to skip straight to the gameplay, I'll leave a timestamp here. So just go to this time and you'll see me playing. This game, I also had a very close call, which you'll see later on in the video. I'm not going to say what it is, because then people won't watch it. I mean, that's what goes on in my mind. That's what I think would happen, but you'll probably just skip through and try and find it. But other than that, yeah, don't ask me what the game mode is, because I will not know, because I have the memory span of a goldfish. So anyway, let's just get straight into the video.
One of these, despite the fact that it's a British gun, didn't come out to 1982. One of the guys has got a shotgun like the one I've got, that's got the magazine in the bottom of it. So that's clearly a spring airsoft gun. And the bit where the guy's got his 1911, he's shooting it. He keeps cocking it every time he fires. So
no, I can't.
It's obviously a Springer, and he's got so used to doing that, he forgets for the film that's not what he's supposed to do. 96/118. I call it a 118 because all of the 96s were actually in that sort of stuff.
Is that recording?
Should be.
Hello.
Hello, Ozzy. You've changed gear.
Again?
Again? Well, you've changed again.
Yeah,
210?
How far is it?
Huh?
How far is it?
and then the guy came out and go,
Wow. Because of the Tokyo Marui, 250?
Flipping 50.
Shut
You
up.
could assassinate little children. Not little children. No.
250 is shit.
Yeah, I know, but it sounds scary.
I mean, the range is alright. I don't know if it outperforms this.
What? No, what's the range? 250.
Look at the range on that. I didn't even know it goes that far.
250 for the range.
250 FPS, yeah.
That is 250.
This is 280.
Oh my lord.
What is yours?
What have you done? Mine's like 350.
Yeah, I'm using 2.5s.
Sorry. Not wearing any.
You're using 2s, ain't you?
Yeah, I'm
You should not be using. You should be using 2.5s. He's probably getting 280. What are you getting?
Yes.
Yeah.
270.
270. That's good. 280, 270. That's good. That's average. Huh?
Do you know how much is it? What? Oh yeah.
What's the game plan?
350. The scope.
Right, I'm gonna go over to Henry and see what the game plan is.
Ozzy would take one.
Huh?
I was saying that we ought to have the whole team with us. If I bring all 5 of mine sometime, we'll have to have, we can run around with 7 people on our team with lightsabers.
Yeah, that'd be sick.
It's not going to be, trust
Game
me.
plan, what's the game plan?
Run at them, don't die.
I shouldn't be asking, you got a fucking lightsaber.
Yes, that is the
What's the game plan?
Run.
You two are useless. Where's he gone?
No, what we can do, yeah, is go push right and then go up along the pathway. It's a
What?
flank almost.
What? So the worst way to go? Let's go. Let's go that way, yeah. Don't go through the
If you
forest.
cut through the middle,
Oh, it's the terrorist thing.
Go through the forest.
Oh shit, no, the terrorist.
which way? Like down all the way back?
We can.
Yeah, let's go do that.
To the start of the game, we can do it.
Yeah.
Fuck, look at them.
Yeah, let's go do the mission briefing in there.
What, the blues?
Yeah, there's ages.
2, 1, go.
Whoa, be careful with it, because you cannot see shit. Turn your radios off.
To the left.
Turn your radios off.
Alright, they're pushing up there.
Is that Sentinel? Yeah. Out there.
Have all your stuff on now?
I'd go.
You got one at top of that party?
Yeah. You'd be good there, wouldn't you? Because they wouldn't even be able to see you.
You didn't even see me.
No, I didn't. So I'm just looking at a walking bush.
Usually a floating arm.
Yeah, I'm gonna go lower now. There's a good spot down there.
Yeah.
Like that way.
Yeah, I got one, but it's stood there.
Got two of them. Fucking hell.
Well, okay.
Yeah, they're directly like lurking in there.
Shit! Oh, hit! Yeah, they're trying to push round. I'm going to get to the corner of it and then... Oh, do you want to get on top?
I think it might be better going around the corner.
Alright.
I'll just go leave it, alright?
There's Brad.
Brad,
Yeah.
he's dead.
Yeah. No kill. It's good timing, wasn't it? Oh, I got him! Oh my god!
That was good in the speak now.
That's a good shot. Distance.
Oh my god, I thought it was a head. Oh my, that scared shit out of me. He's still up. I'm gonna go around there and try and get him. He's on top of the hill. If you could come with me and full auto him or something. Oh shit. Oh my god. What are we doing?
Go straight down the pathway and turn up left. Go, go, go! We can try and flank them. Come on!
Be careful. Yeah, be careful.
Am I recording?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Do I get to kill us?
Yeah. Who's that?
We'll find out. We either kill him or don't kill him.
Run then. Run. Run.
Thank you. Yeah, I know, there's loads of them there. You're hit. Oh shit.
That was dead.
Yeah, that one's dead.
This was when I had a very close call from having my worst injury since playing Airsoft a year ago. This could have been very bad and I was very lucky of how it turned out.
Where's...
I just moved up right. Very fast, I think.
It's good for me to run? Is it good for me to run?
Yeah, someone's playing very fast.
Right, lads. There's 2 boys living up and they're both out.
They're dead. Do you want to push up? I don't want to push up because they know. When they turn around, I want to push. Huh?
They're going to be coming back here.
Do you want to go? Because they've turned around. Do you know where they are? Yeah. Us or them? They're running across. Oh fuck. My shit is overheating. Yeah, my gun cam. My perspective cam. No, not my selfie cam. Can't do shit. Generally, I can't do shit because I'm getting targeted. I'm getting targeted. People behind. Yeah.
Go right side.
Oh shit. I am fucking watching that back. Keep an eye on that corner.
Left side.
Yeah, because I just got somebody who's trying to get through. But we need to...
Push around the back, careful. There.
We need people! Oh, hit!
Coming across. Oh, yeah, we're stop. Right, there's one watch, you know. Top of hill.
Get back. That guy got me.
Kill house. Kill house, just kill the one in front of kill house.
Oh shit, I didn't see him!
Where?
In the bushes over that way. I haven't got the range. He's going onto the roadway.
I'm going by the pathway!
Yeah, it's one on the path.
Behind one of the bridges down there. What in front of you? Todd! Yellow stick!
They're pushing, they're pushing. Oi, oi, oi. Got him. Guys.
This is my worst injury I've ever had at Airsoft, and I'm very surprised that my tooth did not shatter, chip or anything. I am extremely lucky because I could have easily lost a tooth there. All what happened is I cut my lip quite badly. I was spitting out blood quite a bit, so I do want to warn you. I will put a timestamp to where I finished spitting out blood. But yeah, other than that, yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, that fucking hurt.
Yeah, you're right, you still got your tooth. Oh, maybe not.
No, I still have them, it's just, oh, it fucking hurt. That is way too far. He was fucking ages away.
The last game mode for the day was Battle Royale. We had squads of 6 and we needed to try get to the silo, one of the silos, missile silo, for as long as possible. We used to get there and stay there. But the spot where we decided to go wasn't very good, so we had no time to actually get to the silo. And the game ended 5 minutes early, so our plan wasn't going to work anyway. I got 4 or 3 kills, so I'm just going to put them in, assuming that we're getting close to half an hour, and that it'd just be boring. We'll just go in the forest. So here's the kills, and then it'll be the end of the video. Also, thank you for making me reach 100 subscribers. We did it before May. Thanks everybody who subscribed and helped me. Thanks for supporting me, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't know when it's going to be.
I got a load of them. I got a load of them. No, there's still one alive. Got him again. And you're not dead.
And that about wraps up the video. Thank you for watching, and yeah, this is my last video for a while. About Wastelands, the video will take a while to get uploaded because it's 2, maybe 3 fucking days of footage I had to edit. But yeah, other than that, I'll see you when I next upload. Goodbye.